Good night, students, welcome back to another video. In this video we will look at how to add in our accessories such as the bathroom, the tub, the kitchen, the fridge, and so on. But before we do that, we're going to make a copy of this. So we're going to select everything, we're going to make a copy, and for this we're going to leave it for when we're going to do the foundation plan. Alright, now so to access the accessories, we're going to use the shortcut CTRL2 and this window will open. So if you're not seeing this window, just press the home icon and it will bring you to this page. So you're gonna press ENOS, you're gonna go into Design Center, and from here now we can access the different accessories. So we're going to look at the kitchen first. So click on kitchen. Then we're going to go into block, and from here now we can add. We're just gonna select it and drag it out in the workspace. So we need a stove, click on it, drag it out. We also need a sink, and there we have it. Then now for the bathroom set, we're gonna go back by pressing the arrows which says back, back, back. Alright, now so now we're going to go into the house designer. Click on house designer, go into the blocks, and from here now we can access the bathroom tubs. So we're just gonna take it out, bring it out. Also need a door. We didn't put in one of the doors, so we're gonna need that also. The sink oval top, I'm gonna bring that out as well, and we also need a toilet top. Bring that out as well. So there we have all of what we need. So now, sorry, this is in the wrong one, so I'm gonna take and paste back everything in this here. Good. Alright, now so now we're going to now place our accessories. So we know that the stove is here, and we're going to place these into the fixtures and application layer. Good. So now the stove, just click on the stove. We're gonna make an estimate, bring it there. For the sink top, it's gonna be somewhere over here. Just rotate it to the left at a 90-degree angle. Rotate 90-degree. Bring it somewhere there. Good. Then now for the fridge, now rotate that as well at a 90-degree angle. And there we have our fridge. So we basically finished with the kitchen now. So now we're going to add the counter. To add the counter, just draw a line. Just draw a line. Connecting there. So here it doesn't give a measurement, so you're just gonna use an estimate, something that looks realistic. Okay, we're gonna just connect that to that, and there we have it. This now would I put this in the fixtures layer, and there we have it. So now we're going to work on our bathroom now. So we have two bathrooms, so we know that we have sink, so we're gonna make two copies of this. So copy one here, copy. We're gonna copy one there and one here. Then we have two bathrooms, so we're gonna make a copy, place it here and place one there. Don't worry about the rotation. We're going to rotate it into the right place. So just go and rotate, and we're gonna rotate it. Boop. And there we have it. We're gonna place it down here. Then this bathroom is to this side, so we're gonna rotate that 90-degree. Click on it, rotate it, place it there. There we have it, the bathroom. Can even put it down more if you want. Good. Then now we are going to add our bathtub. Select it there. Make a copy of this. There. So now we have our 2 copies. So we're just gonna rotate these at a 90-degree angle. Then now we're gonna add these in place. 1, 2. Then now to connect this bathroom with this bathroom, we're just gonna add a little lining right there. There we have it. So that should be your drawing. As you can see, this bathroom kind of hangs over the wall a little bit. So what we can do, we're just gonna scale it down a little until it aligns with the wall. Okay, and there we have it. There we have add our accessories. What else to do? Alright, so the door, I didn't add this door, so I'm gonna place this into a timber door layer. Just gonna rotate it, and this is for the closet, by the way. I'm gonna rotate it into this direction. So I'm gonna place it there, and also we have another one at the top, as you can see. So copy, paste it at the other closet. I'm gonna rotate this into the other direction. Just then now, let me see. Alright, now so I'm gonna move this door to where the closet is at. By selecting this point, we're gonna select the edge of the wall. Then we are going to select the door, go into scale, select this very same point, and you're just gonna make an estimate. Bring it, move it over. I'm gonna make an estimate. Good. Then we're gonna do the same for this door as well. So we're gonna move this up a little bit more to that point. Select it again, go on scale, select this point, and we're going to scale until it look like it touch on the wall. And there we have it. In our next video, we will look at how to add our text and our dimensions. See you then.